Prepare to be befuddled and bemused. I guarantee at the end of this video, you're gonna say to yourself, what were they thinking? This is room 5143. I did find the wristband keys a bit fiddly. I do appreciate snacks in the room, even though I'm usually too full to eat them during the week. They are nice to eat on the plane ride home though. Who else goes right to the mini fridge to see what is inside? Contents of a mini fridge can tell you a lot about a resort. This mini fridge was nicely stocked with beer, water, and juices. Standard closet with safe. Lots of space to hang clothes and drawers to put folded clothing. This is the most basic room Hilton offers. Not much to it besides the 2 queen beds and small table and chairs. TV is quite large though. Garden view, also known as nothing to see view. Plenty of wall outlets and USB outlets. Easy to control air conditioning. Stop right there. So far, the room is your standard basic room, but this is where the problem starts. I want you to notice 2 things. First, notice that the bathroom is enclosed by clear glass walls. Second, notice how close the bed is to the glass wall. Let's continue. This is an eco resort, which means toiletries are not the little individual bottles. You'll find a bar of soap and a bottle of body lotion on the counter. Yes, that is the glass door to the toilet. And yes, you can see through the glass into the toilet. And in the shower, you'll find bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Okay, time for some truths. At all-inclusive resorts, there tends to be a lot of eating, which means more visits to the bathroom. At an all-inclusive resort in Mexico, there tends to be more beans eaten. You get what I'm saying? Eating beans plus a glass door bathroom does not equal a good time. Let's just say glass rooms amplify noises. They get amplified a lot. Add in the fact that you can see into the toilet. You better be really comfortable with whomever you are sharing the room with, because everything will be shared. The bed is so close to the washroom, you can see everything. If you and your travel companions can get past the bathroom situation, you'll be happy with this basic room. Regarding room location, I have to say room 5143 was the perfect location as it was very close to the elevators. There is a water refill station right at the elevator. Since you can't drink the tap water and shouldn't even use it to brush your teeth, Having a refill station close to the room is extremely handy. Just don't forget to bring a refillable water bottle. Lots of other Hilton Cancun videos on my channel, like these two. I'll see you on the next one.